Grand Rising family, Grand Rising. Your welding coach Joe Brown, aka Black Phoenix, checking in. This rising going live in Little Rock, Arkansas, and I wanted to bring you a public announcement. Are you looking for a welding career that can start you out at $60K a year? Start out. Now, if you already a seasoned vet and you're moving into the Little Rock area and you're looking for an opportunity, it could be probably more for you. I know it can. But if you're starting out, you're getting out of school, and you're looking for a great opportunity, and you want to become a welder in the area, and you want to go home and sleep at night, and you still want to have some nice things, let me tell you about this opportunity. Starting out at $60K, being a welder. And if you are a welder fitter or a fitter welder, you can actually make more money. It's at Lexicon Custom Metals. Check them out, family, in the area. If you are in Little Rock, or you can drive into Little Rock, and you are a welder fitter, you can do flux core welding. You can pass the 1-inch coupon uphill and overhead. Uphill and overhead, 1-inch coupon, family. Start you out at 20 plus an hour. Family, it's a game changer. I don't know about you, family, but I know some people right now that's still paying off college debt to make that type of money. You can make this type of money after 16 weeks. You can make this type of money if you're moving into the area and you don't know nothing about this opportunity, or if you're in the area but you didn't know about this opportunity and you are a flux core welder. Hey, family, I'm telling you something, family. This rising, you should check them out. Check them out. And I only really want to say something about them, family, because they're bringing opportunities. They invest in their employees. People been there for years. The people that come there, once they get in, they stay, because it's a good plant, fam. It's a good plant. So if you need an opportunity, if you want to go to school, graduate, and start making $60K, sign up, family. I'm at the Goodwill Academy off of Scott Hamilton Drive in Southwest Little Rock. 16-week welding program. Coming soon, we're going to have an 8-week welding program, and hopefully that's going to be the beginning of the year. So it's going to be a game changer. You can go into the 8-week program or the 16-week program, and we have partners, family, that can help you start your welding career. It's a game changer. It's $11 an hour here in Little Rock. $11 an hour here. That's the minimum wage. And family, some people only making a couple dollars more. So if you can come after 8 or 16 weeks and start making 20 plus an hour, that's a game changer, family. That's a game changer. So I just wanted to give a live public announcement. Check them out. Lexicon, Custom Metals, Prospect Steel, inside of Little Rock, Arkansas, for those who want to start a career or those who are seasoned welders and looking to move into the area to start a new life. It's a life-changing opportunity, but you got to be able to pass the test. 3G uphill and overhead, 1-inch coupon. And if you can read the basic blueprints and weld symbols, family, to line out some things, they will work with you. If you can just get started, just show them what you got, fam. Just come in prepared. And remember this before I let you go. Proper preparation prevents piss poor performance. Hog on.